Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting basics ready. Enable Bluetooth on your iPhone and put the Ford Sync into pairing mode. On the car, turn the ignition to ACC or on so Sync is fully active. Once done, navigate Sync add a device. On the phone, tap Bluetooth and look for the Ford's name, usually Sync or Ford Audio. If it doesn't appear, make sure airplane mode is off and you're within a few feet. This prevents discovery failures and speeds the process. Once your phone sees the sync name, tap it and compare the PIN shown on both displays. You must confirm the same digits to establish a secure Bluetooth link. After confirming, grant sync permission to sync contacts and favorites so voice dialing works. Also allow media/audio access so music plays through the car speakers. Make sure to enable show notifications for incoming calls if you want caller ID. This sequence ensures hands-free call. You finish by testing. Place a call, use a voice command, and play audio to verify everything works together. If something fails, reboot your iPhone and power cycle the car's infotainment. Then delete the old sync entry on the phone and remove old devices in sync before repairing. If problems persist, check for iOS updates and confirm sync firmware is current. Updates often fix compatibility and bug issues. One key tip: try pairing another phone briefly to isolate whether the issue is phone or sync related.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.